All right, stay in the middle. Get away, put the ball down, son. I move, y'all go crazy. Chill out. So what happens is we're gonna go one at a time. We got bigger balls, we got smaller balls. You move. You here. If the ball goes in this direction, you catch it with your left. It goes this way, you catch it with your right. Here it is. It's a one-handed catch. You're looking at one-handed. I need your hand this way. Understand? I don't want no under. You're not turning your wrist. So I want you to grab the ball. All right? Grab it. Throw it down. Be ready for the next one. The balls are going to come fast. If you have to step to get it, you're not going to turn your hips for it. You're not going to turn and go to it. I want you to sidestep. So you here, you come, you got to get it. I want feet separated, all right? We're going to start off with this here. Step up. Don't worry about how many in here. You go until it runs out. Get both hands up. Be ready. Bend your knees. Get them hands together. Get your feet together. Hey, you going under. I need you to catch it here, all right? Yeah. Come closer. You got to, hey, come forward so you can catch it correctly. You're still turning your wrist. Don't turn your wrist. Turn your wrist. Yup. That was to the other side. Yup, let's go. Stay in the screen. Stay in the screen. Stay in the screen. You got to move your feet. 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 You're still turning your wrist. Don't turn your wrist. Don't turn your wrist. Wrong hand. Yeah, stop turning your wrist. Stop turning your wrist. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're still turning your wrist. Stop turning your wrist. Shuffle your feet. Let's go. Shuffle your feet. Shuffle your feet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pick them up. Both of y'all, pick them up. What did you do? What do we finish? No, just grab them and start putting them in there. If you try to basketball shoot it, that's when you end up wasting. Stands, get your hands up. Hands up. I need it ready for it. You're shuffling your feet. Snatch the ball. Yeah, throw it down. You gotta move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Stop reaching and move. Stop reaching and move. Stop reaching. Move. Come on, get your feet together. Come on. You want all this extra stuff. Come on. You got it? Move your feet. Move your feet. Shuffle your feet side to side. Shuffle your feet. Come on. You reaching. Don't reach. You ain't move your feet. Come on. You gotta move your feet. Move your feet. You give it up. You give it up. Come on. They gonna keep coming. You ain't giving me no effort, dude. Give me some effort. Give me some effort. Give me some effort. Give me some effort. Reach for the ball. Reach for the ball. Reach for the ball. Look, standing here doing this ain't gonna get you nothing. You gotta move your body, all right? If you can't move your body, you ain't gonna get nowhere. Let's go, get them balls. Yes, you get your stance. You here. We move our feet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Move your feet. Yep, move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Let's go. Come on. I'm waiting on you now. You threw it too far now. Come on. Snatch the ball. Snatch the ball. Notice I ain't turning my hand. I'm keeping it here. I ain't turning my wrist. Yeah. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. That's where it is. Move your feet. Move your feet. Shuffle your feet, should I say. You don't turn your hips. Yeah, side to side, forward to backward. You reach out and extend. but you're not turning your wrist. Here. Grab the ball. Snatch it out the air. Here we go. Yeah. Now we getting somewhere. Now we getting somewhere. Let's go. 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 Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Yeah, move your feet. Yeah, it's a reaction. Snatch the ball out the air. Snatch the ball out the air. Snatch the ball out the air. You worrying about holding on to the ball. Don't hold on to the ball. Snatch it and throw it down. Yeah, let's go.
35.
Good job. That's what's up. Whew. I told him about it, but if you would have put them X's, well, I told him 2-3 weeks ago, I'd have been doing some basketball drills with him. But you don't listen to simple instructions. And let me know that you really ain't trying to do it like you think you should. Ain't got time for when you think you should and you don't want to do nothing. I want you to do something. All right, so Solo got it. Shuffle your feet. This ain't no stick out and think you got arms like those off a Street Fighter. No, your arms don't extend. You got to move. Here we go. Let's go. Move them feet. Move your feet. Your reaction low. You ain't moving your feet. Still not moving your feet. Come on. Move them feet. Move your feet. You sticking your arms. Move your feet. Come on, move your feet. It don't work if you don't move your feet. Grab the ball. Grab the ball. Come on, grab the ball. Move your feet. Move your feet. You laughing, but you messing up. You messing up. Come on. You giving up on the play. You can't put you in the game. You giving up on the play. Come on. Don't give up on the play. Come on. Come on. You ain't even moving. You messing it up now. Come on. This is where the work come in at. You duck a ball. Hey, stuff like this is what's gonna make it happen. Your mama can't be yelling from the sideline, put you in the game, but when it's time to do this, you messing it up. All right? So you laughing about it, you think it's a joke, but you don't like it when they don't put you in the game. But this is where it's at right here. Make it worth it. All right, let's go. Rodney, you're part of this action. What we doing is simply just taking the ball. We're just gonna toss it up. They gotta get to it. Here it is, it's double action now. How I just did it is how you need to do it. Toss it this way, toss it this way. Thing is, you got that one over there. Go to the bucket. Ooh. So here it is. Now I'm finna get you dizzy. Because you're gonna have to catch it, turn around, and reset for the other ball behind you. Yeah, what?
Oh, means.
Come over here, I'll show you. So what happens is, starting point is here. The ball comes, catch it, throw it down. We here. You catching it, or if you go back this way or this way. But understand, here, you want to flatten out, as in your steps gonna turn. Bam. If you try to turn this way, you got extra steps. You're turning your hips too much. All right. There's one thing that's just turning one side 90, then 270, all the way over. All right. So you want to be able to turn to where you can focus and get it on. Yeah, you're gonna get dizzy. Let's see what's happening. And we're going to the balls out. One ball right at a time. Come on. Come on. And that ball goes, we ain't stopping. Turn around. Come on. Let's see if you give up on it.
Okay.
It's on you now, turn around. Come on. Messing your head up, come on. Don't give up on one, you want to try to get the other. Move to the ball, shuffle those feet. Shuffle those feet. Come on, shuffle those feet. Come on, it coming. It coming. We not waiting. We not waiting. We not waiting. Come on, pay attention. Move, Isaiah. Okay, go on. You got it, right? Come on. Yeah, come on. They coming. All them sound effects. You ain't gotta make all them sound effects. How about just move? Just move. Come on. Balls are coming. Come on. Come on, they coming. Stop giving up on them. Stop giving up on them. Yeah, come on. One hand. One hand, you doing two now. Come on. Nope, wrong hand. You gotta do it right. Do it right, come on. Oh, we done gassed out, huh? You done gave up? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you can't catch the ones throwing to you. Come on, pay attention. Come on, come on. Harder than you think. Sound effects don't work. Come on, get up. There it is. Man, don't hate. The offense ain't gonna stop because you diving on the ground. You better get up. The monster's still coming. Keep going. I'm out of balls. Don't get stupid now, Rodney. Come on. Make a move for it. Come on. We're not doing all this shake and bake stuff. Come on. Let's go. Catch the ball. Come on, catch the ball. Toss it up, Rodney. Toss it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Toss it up and high. Come on, go. You trying to grab 16 million. No, it's got to be a fast thing. Yeah, let's go. You got to catch the ball. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Catch that ball. All right. I need the color balls over here and the whistle balls over here. No, I got the rest of the stuff to do. I took a 30-minute pause so I could do y'all. So, might as well get some work in with you. Yeah, get focused. You got something to prove. Don't let solo outdo you. We ain't laughing. That ain't the stance. Get them hands up. Come on, move them feet. You gotta turn around first, dude. You gotta turn around. But you gotta move quickly, dude. Turn the correct way. You make it happen. Move your feet. Move your feet. You gotta move your feet. Move your feet. Oh, come on, get your feet together. Get your feet together. Shuffle your feet side to side. Come on, you stuttering, you're stepping over your feet. Don't step over don't cross your leg. Move them feet side to side, linebacker status. Snatch the ball. Snatch the ball. Come on. You ain't moving, let's go. Come on. Shuffle your feet. Shuffle your feet. Just grab two, Rodney. You ain't moving, shuffle your feet. Come on. Giving up on me. Giving up on me. Yeah, giving up on me. Come on, move your feet. Shuffle them feet. You ain't moving your feet, dude. Get there. Get there. Look at that. You trying to reach out. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Come on. Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Let's go. Doing all that, he ain't got to wait on you. Offense ain't got to wait on defense. Come on, offense ain't got to wait on defense. You reaching instead of stepping. You're reaching instead of stepping. Wrong hand. Let's go. I'm out. Make him shuffle his feet, Rodney. We ain't playing toss to him. Move them hands out there. Yeah, let's go. Move your feet and get back to your spot. Come on. Yeah, we ain't playing kick the ball. Come on. Come on. You got to move. Come on. I'm trying it. I'm trying it. Nope. One hand. One hand. Stretch it out. Move your feet. Move your feet. Get in front of the ball. Get in front of the ball. Come on, get in front of the ball. Control yourself. Make him shuffle his feet. Come on, come on. He ain't moving. Shuffle your feet. Get in front of the ball. Get in front of the ball. Move your feet side to side. Turn your hips. Come on. Still waiting on you. Let's go. Don't turn your hips. Keep your hips facing right. You're just reaching out now. You're giving up on the plate. This is when them coaches be like, dang, he gonna tap out? He tapping his helmet, coach. He tired. He taking plays off. He taking the play off. Oh, man, they just broke right through the line. Let's go. End it well. End it well. End it well. Move the feet. All right, reset. Uh-oh, look who showed up. Mr. Red Shoes himself.
Oh.
Man, why you looking like the Grinch that stole Christmas?
Red shoes.
We got Mr. Red Shoes. Going out the way. Take a step up. Let's give you the scoop. What's going to happen is breaking down, hands up. The ball is coming. You're not catching it under wrist. You're not turning the wrist. Keep it here. You're catching the ball here. All right? You want it here. Catch it, throw it down. You're shuffling from left to right, forward and back. Don't turn your hip. You're not running. You're shuffling your feet. Wherever it is, you got to get to it. We'd rather get in front of the ball. Here's the bonus. I'm going to toss it here. You catch it. You have to turn and face Rodney because he's going to toss the ball too. You're going to be doing some spinning. Let's see how well you move over your feet. Get out the way. But before I go, where them X's at? Exactly. See? I could have been working with you. If I give you a simple instruction, you'd have missed out on it. That was like 3 weeks ago. Here we go. Oh, you gotta turn around. He didn't toss his ball already. Oh, you got your hands under it. Don't turn your wrist. I need it straight up. Let's go.
Wait, I'm confused.
Turn around.
I thought you said when I catch it, I turn around.
You better get the ball. Hey, if you drop it, you still gotta turn. He's still going.
Oh.
Turn around.
Oh.
Turn around. Yeah, come on. Turn around. Here we go. Let's go, coordination. Move your feet left and right. You gotta shuffle. Shuffle your feet. Twisting and everything else. Let's go. Turn around. Come on. Shuffle them feet. Yeah, pay attention. Offense don't wait on defense. While you trying to think of it. Yeah, come on. Turn around. Come on. Come on. Catch the ball at the air. Come on.
I go back to rugby so you can go.
Come on.
What's happening?
Catch the ball. Catch the ball. You waiting. You gotta move. Eye-hand coordination.
That sounded like grandma.
Shuffle your feet.
No, Daddy, I'm slapping him to the ground.
Come on. You go too far out your way, then you can't get recovered. You still gotta recover. Come on, you still gotta recover. Move your feet. Don't try to reach out. Move your feet. Don't be trying to reach out. Come on. Keep moving your feet. Keep moving your feet. Keep moving your feet. It's still coming. It's still coming. Come on. We still coming. We still coming. We still coming. Yeah, come on. You slow down and try to focus on what you think you did. The ball coming. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Come on. Oh. Reach. Yeah. Let's go. You're on Rodney now. You're on Rodney now. Shuffle your feet and move. Shuffle your feet. Shuffle your feet. Yeah. It's easy when it's just one now. Come on, you still gotta move. It's a quick reaction. Y'all can review the video and see how many we all caught the correct way. Come on, move them feet. All right, snatch it out the air. And that turn to your wrist up. All right, don't have the under wrist up. You still got your wrist under it. Put it up, put it up. Yeah, keep it that way. Keep it that way. Yeah, even when it's low, keep it that way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Don't get too stupid with it right then. Let's go. Up, up. You're giving up on it. You're giving up on it. Now you're just reaching. Shuffle your feet. Shuffle your feet. Keep them wrists up. Keep them hands up. Hands up. Yeah. Come on, Rodney. Keep them hands up. All right.
It's the same last one every time.
Hey, it be like that sometimes. All right. Here we go. First 1 to 3 wins. All right. Here we go. Go. All right. Come on. Hey, you know a 5 is stop. Don't mean back up, back up. Go. Got that back up. I want you to stop and turn around. Go. All right, 2. There, go. Oh!
You won.
It's 2. First 1 to 3 win.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta catch the ball.
Oh, we got that one.
Here we go. There. Go.
Yeah, 2. Yeah.
All right, that's 3. That's the first round for the football player. Here we
Let's
go.
go.
Second round. We're going up 5 and in. Get to the green, cut in. That's it. Go. Bad throw, bad throw, bad throw.
Okay. Oh.
Keep it rotating.
Oh, that's
man.
good.
Come on. See? Oh, that hit your hands that time.
Right here.
Yep, come on. See? Alright, 1. Come on. Turn it in close to the thing so you can be in the screen. See?
What you said?
Oh, right through the city.
Don't jump. Solo did.
Turn her out tight. Turn her out tight. See? Oh, that was you. Get your hands up. Sit. Go. All right, 1-1. 1-1. Come on. Sit. Go. All right, 2. Going outside the screen. Y'all doing more of a J versus a tight end. Give me the green thing and cut across. Stop going wide. Sit. Go.
Yes.
All right, 2-2.
Yeah,
Stop letting that thing hit your titties though.
catch this ball.
It was a competition with them, but y'all were trying to join it. Y'all want to make a girl competition. All right, y'all going. It's 2-0. 2-2. 0-0. Here we go. Girl, tighten up, for real.
Come on, Lanaya.
You
Try that
lucky
again.
that you was outside the screen. Come on. We ain't finna be wasting all this time. You messing the floor up now. Remember, I was supposed to be going a long time ago. Come on. 5 and in. Here we go. Go.
Oh.
Right through them hands.
Right through.
All right.
I need it. Daddy can. Oh, right.
No. It's gonna hit you in your hand. Okay. How about that? Here we go.
Come on, Rodney. Don't catch it. Don't catch it, Rodney.
No!
Come on.
That was right there.
I didn't catch it.
Don't throw the ball.
Gigi must have.
Go get it. Hurry up.
I'm gonna do it.
I mean, if Isaiah catches, y'all got it. Got the green. Come on.
It's coming off, guys.
Go.
Ah, yeah!
Still outside the screen, dude.
I caught it.
Trying to get y'all footage to be seen.
Bro.
Go.
I got clipped. Ah!
Up.
Yes, sir. Yes,
That's too far in front of me. Man, but last time we did this route, Soul wasn't good on this route.
Well, we gonna see. Come on.
Actually, no, that was.
Somebody stepped in mad dude.
I think that's that had slip. Daddy had hit a whole split. Bro, he said he wouldn't go catch. What he said?
We were over here, dude. What you talking about?
It was over here when you slipped.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Video shows on. Here we go.
Looks like I had two
Big.
like this.
Go. Ooh.
First that one.
Mama killing
First
y'all.
one. First
So
one.
she jumped outside.
I'm gonna hit that in.
So girls are up 1-0. Oh, we got to up. After this, it's alternate. So
I got
Ronnie, Isaiah, and then one of y'all. Big. Go.
Wait, what?
She can't go right after.
You went first, man. What are you talking about?
I know, right?
Everybody only went once. All right.
I didn't go yet.
Round 2. Oh, you haven't gone yet? Good. Go.
I haven't either.
Go. Right in the hands. Come on. Remember, it's going to be something y'all going to try to do with y'all kids when y'all get older. Luckily for y'all, we got a field here. Big. Go. How come when y'all drop the ball, y'all always make it? You waste time, man. Let's go. All right, round 2. The only person that caught it was. Here we go. Girls up 1-0. Go. I gotta go through my emotions slow.
Yeah, because I got
You going slow.
I got a slide to try not to fall. My knee hurt.
Ooh, them titties hurt.
I don't know if I should be my side like this or not.
Use your hands, not your titties. Let's go. Go. Right in the hand. You ran a whole lot faster than I thought you were. Do that on the field when you got pads on. Let's go. You ran a whole lot faster than I thought you were. Yeah. Go.
Hands up.
You put your hands up. Let's go, run it in. Go. There. Oh, that's that. Oh, look at the catch.
Dang, he fumbled it and caught it.
Like that post.
Don't touch my butt.
All right, that's wet.
1-1.
Wayne wearing girl. All the sound effects. Come on, man. Come on. All that rah-rah. Hurry up. You can make that thing go until you finally catch the ball. Good. Go.
I'm a jump. I'm gonna see my mom.
She don't make all that noise.
That's because he hitting my hands.
You just hit the head.
Well, she doesn't know it like me.
Weak throw.
Good. The moment you take your eyes off the ball is the moment you drop it. So Quan and Roddy, only one catch his ball, huh?
No. So you would have
Go. Oh, there we go. Good. 1-1-1.
Yeah!
Good. Go.
Catch him, Naya.
Come on, girl.
I like you trying to abuse her with the ball.
And then look back like that's gonna do something.
Like, why you threw that at me, Daddy?
She looked at y'all. Come on.
Right. Keep your eyes up. No.
Sit. Go.
Yeah, slow-mo, guys. Throw that. Too early.
Go. Can't say nothing. I'm putting it on the money. Let's go.
You can't do this with my body.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
And then wait too long.
Go. All right. Well, he don't say nothing now. Come on. Yeah.
We win it.
Go.
We win.
All right, Rodney. Stop playing tag with the ball.
I'm trying to gauge where it's at. That's all.
How about catch that thing? Two hands.
Oh, you blocked it, Daddy. Everybody
I
got it.
almost bust my behind. I gotta put it in front of you. You still got the ball. Blink your eyes.
Go out, go out.
Still blink your eyes. When you jumped outside anyway, don't think I ain't see that. Come on.
Should I take off my shoes?
Still hitting your hands. Hit your hands to catch it. Go. Girl, a post. You're gonna go to that tree over here. This green thing to the tree. All right, come on.
You got 2 catches. So if I catch this ball, I'm gonna win.
Here you go. You stutter for it. Don't stutter. I'm gonna get the ball there. You stutter stuff, that's the difference in your catch.
Nah. Oh, sorry. No.
Yeah.
You.
Oh, I did with the catch. What's that, 3-0? All right.
Pretty sure we have one. Yeah, we got
They got 3.
I know, so how did that you nothing?
We got 3 routes.
Oh, okay, so we're done?
With that route, yes.
Okay.
Here we go. Stop and go. Stop and go. 5 and stop. I'm a pump fake. Sit.
This is me and Judah.
Throw it deep.
This is Kenny. That's not.
Just going straight?
I remember when we
So
used to do
it's
that.
gonna be a 5, but you're 5 and stop. You run it in. Stop. Turn around like you catch it. Pump fake. Turn sideline route. Go down the field. Good. Go.
I'm a jump.
Uh.
Cut it up. Go.
Oh, right to the end.
Then you're gonna be me and so. I don't know. That actually almost something. Stop doing that.
I ran that route now.
Yeah.
I'll be trying to reach for the ball.
Good.
Oh yeah, turn it up, cut it up. Cut ball.
Oh, a catch.
Cut ball.
Turn the wrong way.
Damn, Judah's beat.
Remember, you want to turn out.
Oh,
Give me a full stop. Turn out.
Uh-huh.
Sweaty ball. Good. Go. Boom, you ain't even do it. And you dropped the ball. Give me a full 5 and stop. Oh my goodness.
Huh?
Give me a full stop. Go. Stop. Boom.
Catch it, Naya, catch it.
Britt, she be doing that. Ready, y'all? Put your hands in the air.
Come on.
But when we at practice,
You to catch the ball with your hands. I won't have to wipe your sweat off the ball.
That's our floor practice.
Oh, no, don't start on it like that.
Good. Go.
Wipe that sweat. Wipe that sweat.
Oh, you ain't stopped, dude.
I said,
You gotta stop. Give me the full stop. And then you gotta actually run. Let's go.
It takes way too long.
Catch the ball with your hands. Go. Full stop. Boom. You'll turn the
Turn the
ball
wrong
over.
way.
Hold it, catch. Remember, you're turning sideline out. All right, that's 1. Go. Boom.
Whoa, I caught it first.
Whoa, right through the hands again.
I went, it was like this, and I brought it in so it didn't fall out.
Let's go.
I said,
We're talking about you hurting, so why you dropping the ball?
No, that's why I catch it with your hands.
if I catch it like this and bring it in, that's not going to catch it with
No, you gotta or get it
added bonus.
No, I caught it, then brought it in.
Ready, give it a full stop. Stop.
No, you're not in
Boom.
front of me, my boy. Buddy.
And you still drop it. Ooh, ding-a-ling. Here we go. Give me the full stop. Go. Turn sideline. Boom, sideline. There it is. There it is. Now wipe the ball off.
That's
You
your
little sweaty
body.
self.
Hater.
Wipe the ball off.
Hater.
Wipe the ball
Hater.
off. Let's do it again.
I'm hating.
What's that, 1-1?
Two. You got two. He got 2 balls.
All right,
But his body.
come on.
Okay.
Go.
At least I'm not
Wait,
coming.
Lou.
At least I'm coming. At least I'm catching it like this.
Catch the ball.
Oh,
You are literally turning all the way around.
that's improvement, girl. Come on.
Good job, me. Stop.
I caught him with
So
my
if Righty catches the ball, then y'all find a good W, huh? Good. Go. Stop. Boom. Boom.
What are you doing?
Oh. Hey, let your eyeballs go all the way to catching the ball. Y'all wait till it gets right there and then when a blink will turn away. Not going in the face. You get it.
Right on there. That means you can die.
Then with them yells and sound effects.
Bet you that's our package.
Nope.
Yes, it is.
No. Hurry up.
Whoa, no, that
know
was
that's
a
not
lizard. Oh, that was just moving.
Go. Man, that was the longest 5 in the world. She had to clap it good with them titties.
Yes. It said.
I knew I was going to catch it.
But it didn't bounce out.
You ain't catch it with your hands, you caught it with your titties.
That's what I still made a touchdown.
It didn't bounce out.
We ain't get no package today.
You ain't doing
I
it
bet you
right.
that's our package.
Dude, if you're gonna do it wrong, still catch the ball. Do it right.
Stop jumping in front of him. Go.
Go. Oh, with the hand. That's 3, right?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Got your first
Step inside the green. Big. Go.
Wait, no. Mama doesn't go first. I go first.
Right to the hand. You know you're going straight if you aim straight for the tree. My checkpoint is the tree.
Which tree?
The tree right here on the
I would
side
not have
out.
run to that tree. So I'm
Don't
glad
know
I
if you
asked.
would do a corner then.
I would have been slant.
How you doing zigging? Oh, y'all heard that guy.
You stepped on the thing.
Yeah, that was the blue light over there. It was cooking with that blue light. Can you cook with that blue light?
I don't even know what to
Or you can use that blue light.
That's for fly.
I know. But like, if you first...
No.
Don't cook with it.
Let's go. Go. We'll leave it to your imagination. All right, wipe the ball off. Wipe the ball off. Hurry up. Come on, wipe it off. Let's get it. Catch with your hands, you won't have to wipe the ball. Go.
Judy, you caught it?
Look, you still went to the wrong
No, I
tree.
didn't. It was in my brain.
Anybody catch the ball yet?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Go.
Oh, no, okay.
Somebody ran a route, right? Instead of trying to turn, come, stop, turn to Here you go. It's an uppercase T, not a J. Go. Yeah.
Good.
Ah.
You slow down.
Turn your speed on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Got too much space on it. Go. Boom. Retreat. Go.
No, that's what I said. That's what I was thinking. That your body thinks.
Here, Isaiah, you can use a glove. Maybe it'll help.
This glove made my arm.
Go. You might catch the ball. Bad though.
Don't be calling my mom.
Go. You did. Ah, tag, you're in, ball. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta get the other ball. No, I don't see the ball. Back up the ball. Go. Got it. All right, somebody got to catch the ball.
I can't catch it with my eyes closed.
That makes a little bit of sense. Go. Dig. Oh.
Can't hold the top. Me too. Ooh, that just hurt.
Go.
Yep.
Dig.
Uh-oh, be careful, stop.
Hey. Good. Come on. Look, they're doing circles.
That's good. Hold my shit.
Maybe they should ball back.
Where's the doodle? Yo, where's the doodle go?
Here you go. Go.
Where's the doodle? You're right.
Go.
We all need to stop ordering from Amazon. That was like 3-4 packages.
Ain't no weed.
Come on. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right.
Smaller guy, let's go.
Bye. You saw that?
Go. Dig.
Let's go.
All right, you got it.
You went FedEx,
Is that two?
Amazon, or no, that's Isaiah caught it.
Here we go. Give me the dig into it. Step, then turn. Go. Dig.
Hey!
Oh, okay.
Good catch, got it behind hand.
All right, that's two. Yep. Stop letting that ball hit your chest. And dig, go. Dig. Turn.
Dang! Oh, my I
Let's
wanted
go.
my tooth like 3 times.
Go.
Mama got
Dig.
I'm not on their phone.
Right through there. They ain't touching that.
Oh, almost at a split. I know. Thank you!
Go. Dig. Oh, the drop.
You can see that chain going in.
I did not respond to that appropriately.
You can see Mom's too on the side.
I don't got no much to do.
Stop the liar.
Now I keep running the wrong way. You running the corner route.
That
Why
ball
now
has
it's gonna run in front of the truck though?
Because that's
ball
what
has
matters.
good love. That ball has
It is what it ain't.
that
Let's go, girl. Run it over here.
Yo, somebody stepped in the doodle.
Here we go. Who's next?
I don't know, but it's here.
Go. Oh, that's a catch. That's 3. 3?
Oh, that's two.
Go. All right. You ain't got it yet?
No.
All right. Go. Dig. Your hands. Fix your face. Go. Dig, dig,
So you
dig.
need to catch the ball.
Oh!
Maybe I need to run around y'all running.
Quarterback with that toe up. There you go. Y'all got the round.
I slid right off.
Oh! All right.
Oh, y'all won.
All right, so it's what? 2-3? 2-0?
Isn't a corner?
You go
Oh, never mind. I thought the corner was this one.
Right here, right
Those
here.
are called bitches.
Oh, yeah, you're What's making that noise?
I get pressed up by accident. That little dog, Eric, Chihuahua. Can we do a fly?
Go. That way. Get in the tree, girl.
Catch it, me. How much for the bet? If I don't hit it one hand,
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm only trying to, I gotta try
Run it fast.
one hand.
Underlay, underlay, Eva, Eva. Here we go. Yeah, the ball coming. All that daydreaming looking at the ball. When you hit that turn, the ball's coming. Run it in, let's go.
No, I feel like I hit the ball guy.
You be like, ¿qué pasa?
Go.
Stop playing with me, bro. Wait, what is that possible?
Inside. Inside shoulder. Turn the wrong way. Yeah, corner's on the inside shoulder. Post is on the other shoulder. Come on. Well, outside shoulder, my bad. Come on.
Whenever
Throw the ball.
we'll be talking and Mama be talking about K-pop. What's going on? Why do y'all not understand what's going on?
Go.
What's going on? Sit down.
Who caught the ball?
Not me.
Come on, come on, come on.
I said it.
Whoever gets the 4 and wins. Right now it's 3-0. Go.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna catch that one.
Okay, let's get the cook dinner.
Don't be coming out. Don't be trying to punk out.
No, I'm not putting it. I got to dinner.
Don't be trying to punk out. Finish it.
That's a legitimate thing. So
Yeah, no. You hear you own it. Let's go.
I was just saying I'm afraid to run into the tree.
Go.
we're going to get dinner.
You.
That's
No,
why
I'm not saying no place.
that's why I
Here's
slowed
the check.
down because I don't want to run into the tree.
One.
Wow.
You got one catch. Go.
I'm not gonna be on field RP. I'm not running into the tree.
That's why I stopped. The first time I stopped shooting, but invisible wasn't there. Same tree.
Go.
How come every time it's Lanaya, she gonna drop it and then the car gonna go?
Girl.
I'm not thinking about it.
Girl, we're not backing away from the ball. The ball ain't gonna hurt you.
Anytime it's
Come on, run. We ain't finna sit here and hold the ball in My Little Pony game. Let's get it.
anybody else can. And there's no cars. It's
Go.
a nice turn. Stop.
There we go. Let's go.
Oh, it's too
If I did them win, then they win the whole thing. First one to 4 win. Go. Oh, man. Oh, there we go. Yeah, 'cause that was like Eeyore slow. Go.
My hair flew in my face.
I thought it was Elmore.
You try to be smooth
How
with
can
it.
you catch with your body and your body's so sweaty like crazy?
You try to be smooth with it. Come on, watch the ball. Let's go.
Water. Yeah.
I tried to catch it with my hand.
Go.
Oh,
Oh, there's a catch. What's that, 2?
You should have been with
I got 2.
Hey, you caught it.
One, so 1, 2.
That's one.
Go.
Yo, what's one of y'all looking at? You know how it is.
No.
Ah.
Watch this cat.
I caught it.
Watch this
I
cat.
don't call it every route just in case anybody wanted to know.
Well, now you're doing
Oh,
one.
that's
Hello.
because you're not running her.
Hello.
Don't be listening to that.
Run in my speed.
Don't be running that.
I'm going off my ability. I can't go up your ability. Don't run off my ability.
I don't know why you're just staring at the tree.
Yeah.
When you hit the front, you looking for the ball. Stay.
Good job.
Come on, let's go.
Three minutes. 3 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 minutes. 3
You staring at the tree, dude. When you make the turn, you should be looking for the ball. Ain't nobody fault but yours. I'm trying to blame nobody else.
You're trying to throw the ball off. Yo, you're not in front of me.
Girl, you ain't gonna run out there to be no cheerleader. Get over here.
But mine's not right after home. Hold on, I'm right after home. What are y'all doing?
No.
Here you go.
Go.
Look, y'all done got out of order doing all this extra stuff. Now ain't it jumped out of the run.
He's in the right spot.
Now y'all ain't got your stuff together. Come on.
Everybody did. Be quiet.
Here we go. Go. Right hand.
Everybody know where it's going.
Oh, somebody you got it?
Nope. Bad, did you?
That's it, Naya. That's it.
Tag, you're it. You about to ride a light. Come on, hurry up. Oh.
What you got, one?
What's that, Choo-choo?
Yes.
What?
Okay, I was about to say.
Good. I said cut.
I'm in on every play, coach.
All right, that's the winning round, right?
You said it was first and fourth.
They got four.
All right, so the football players are the winners.
By default, if I was out here sooner, they wouldn't have won.
Want.
Where the camera at so I could talk junk?
Tapping bad.
If I was out here earlier, they wouldn't won. You ain't win, Judah. You ain't win. Back there doing all that talking. We almost caught up to you. And what? Byron.
Wait, where is Rodney going?
Oh, you see him?
Ronnie say, bump y'all, I'm out of here.
He's sad because he a loser.
Hey, y'all gotta get this stuff.
I carry my team.
Y'all gotta get this stuff. We got bags to get.